In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to Webflow in just 5 minutes. Integrating powerful email marketing tools like Klaviyo with your Webflow website can significantly enhance your marketing strategies. Whether you're aiming to send out newsletters, automated emails, or personalized messages based on user behavior, connecting Klaviyo to Webflow is an excellent step toward making your marketing efforts more efficient and effective. Let's dive into how you can easily achieve this integration. First, we need to access the Klaviyo platform. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Klaviyo website. Once there, you'll find the option to log in. Click on this to proceed. The next step requires you to authenticate. Enter your email address and password associated with your Klaviyo account. After filling out your login credentials, click on the Login button to access your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're successfully logged into Klaviyo, head over to your account's homepage. This should automatically open up after you log in. If it doesn't, look for an option labeled Home or a similar variant that will navigate you to the dashboard. Inside your Klaviyo dashboard, your first task is to locate your profile. Typically, you'll find an avatar or a profile icon towards the top right corner of the page. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find an option for Profile. Next in line is to find the Integrations section. This might sound a bit technical, but it's actually quite straightforward. Once you click on your profile, look for an option labeled Integrations or something similar. This will lead you to a new page where all possible integrations for your Klaviyo account are listed. On the integrations page, you'll see an option to add new integrations. This is your gateway to expanding Klaviyo's functionality with other tools and platforms, including Webflow. Click on Add Integrations to proceed. Now, because we're focusing on connecting Klaviyo with Webflow, we'll use Zapier as our integration tool. In the search bar or somewhere on the Add Integrations page, type in Zapier. It's important to note that integrating Klaviyo and Webflow directly might require some technical know-how or might not be natively supported. Therefore, Zapier acts as a middleman that connects the two platforms effortlessly without the need for custom coding. After searching for Zapier, you should see it pop up in the search results. Navigate to the Zapier option and click on it. This will bring you to a more detailed page regarding the integration. Look for an install button or something similar which will indicate the action to connect Klaviyo with Zapier. Following the installation or activation of Zapier within Klaviyo, the next step requires you to visit the Zapier website. You'll likely need to set up a Zapier account if you haven't already. Go ahead and click on the option to start for free using your email. This will allow you to create a new Zapier account or login to an existing one, facilitating a bridge between Klaviyo and Webflow. Once you're logged into Zapier and have followed the installation or integration process within Klaviyo, you're almost at the finish line. Through Zapier, you'll be able to create automated workflows, known as Zaps, that link Klaviyo to Webflow. These Zaps can trigger an array of actions between the two platforms, such as adding new subscribers from Webflow forms directly into your Klaviyo email lists. Remember, the effectiveness of this integration lies in how well you customize it to fit your marketing goals. Spend some time exploring the various triggers and actions available between Klaviyo and Webflow on Zapier. Think creatively about how you can leverage these to enhance your audience engagement and streamline your workflows. That's it. You've successfully bridged Klaviyo and Webflow using Zapier. Now, your email marketing efforts can be more targeted and efficient, drawing directly from the user activity and data on your Webflow site. As you dive into this integration, keep experimenting with different triggers and actions. The world of automated workflows opens up countless opportunities to innovate in how you engage with your audience and manage your marketing tasks. Remember, the key to a successful integration is in understanding the capabilities of both platforms and creatively leveraging these to serve your business needs. Thank you for following along in today's tutorial. Don't hesitate to revisit any section if you need a refresher or want to ensure you've set everything up correctly. Happy marketing!